Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for joining today's presentation for the world premiere of our next motorcycle helmet model. A very warm welcome to all our customers, partners and the press. As you know, we have been introducing a completely new range of helmet models with the new ECE 2206 regulations. The first model was the C5 that we introduced for the 2022 season and which was the first 2206 homologated flip-up helmet in the market. It was followed by the E2 Adventure flip-up helmet and the S3 full-face helmet 1 year later. Finally, we started to develop a new range of high-performance full carbon helmets. It started with the C5 carbon last year, and we are proud to have introduced the E2 carbon just recently. We manufacture these helmets at our Schuberth Performance division in the same site and by the same technicians who also build our Formula One racing helmets. However, one segment still has been missing, which traditionally always had been served by Schuberth: the premium open face helmet segment. We were very successful in the past with the J1, which then was followed by the M1 and M1 Pro. This helmet we needed to stop producing last summer for the new regulations, and we were not able to offer a successor right away. Behind this there are two simple reasons. First, we are still a German-based mid-sized company, and we develop and build all helmets ourselves in-house. We do not use engineering contracting or cheap supply sources from abroad or Far East. And as we always want to fully concentrate on each project, this means you cannot do everything in parallel. And second, we did not just want to modify an existing model like some of our competitors did, coming with the risk of compromises and ending up with a result that is not better than before, or even a step back in design or weight. We wanted to offer the best that we think is technically feasible and wanted to get the most out of the aforementioned Schuberth DNA for our customers. Now, after all these explanations, I think it is time to show to you what the result from that approach looks like. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very proud to introduce to you the brand new J2. As you can see, we combined the style of an open face helmet with the design language of our latest range and the heritage of the J1. This also comes with a very unique feature: an additional chin protection, but detachable, as you will see in some minutes. You get two helmets in one. With the result, we can now close the gap in the premium open face helmet segment and offer another state-of-the-art helmet for the Schuberth range, the J2. It is always my pleasure to have the honor to make this first introduction of a new model. But luckily, we have people in the team who can explain much better all the details to you. You might know him already. I would like to welcome Matteo here on stage. Matteo is leading our business unit motorcycle and will give you now more explanations on our J2. Matteo, here you go.
Thank you, Christoph. Hello everyone, I'm delighted to be here to showcase our new J2 and all its features, which we believe make it the perfect companion for your daily commute and for your adventures out of town. The J2 is the third generation of Schuberth Jet Helmet, and we are confident that its features and innovation will help us to achieve a leadership position in this highly competitive segment. Our new open face helmet features a completely new shell design, along with all the comfort, safety and performance features that characterize our helmet. With the J2, our goal was to create a new helmet that combined the lightness and ventilation of a jet helmet with the comfort, safety and acoustic performance of a touring helmet. To achieve this challenging goal, we had to start from a clean sheet of paper and develop a completely new helmet. The new J2 doesn't share a single component with its predecessor. At Schuberth, our primary mission is to offer the best head protection technology to all our customers, no matter if they like to ride with a full face, with a flip-up, or as in this case, with an open face helmet. As for C5, E2 and S3, the J2 lightweight composite shell is produced using our patented direct fiber processing technology and is reinforced with carbon fiber. This expensive but high-performance construction allowed us to reduce the weight and dimension of the helmet and also to achieve a remarkable shock absorption performance. As a positive result from that, and unlike many other competitors, we have been able to fit size large into the smallest helmet shell with the J2, just as we managed also for C5, E2 and S3. Like all our helmets, the new J2 features the Schuberth anti-roll-off system, which consists of 2 additional safety belts connected to the chin strap and fastened to the back of the helmets with rivets. But as safety comes first at Schuberth, we have decided to introduce another standout feature on our new jet helmet. As you can see, although the J2 is homologated as a jet helmet, it comes equipped with a removable chin bar, which offers additional face protection in case of an accident. As the visor and the helmet shell, also the chin bar of the J2 has been developed in our in-house wind tunnel, so it doesn't affect at all the aerodynamics and acoustic performance of the helmet. But if you prefer to ride without chin bar, you can easily remove it in less than 10 seconds. Indeed, you'll just have to slide upwards the 2 covers on the side of the helmet and unlock the chin bar on both sides. Another key element of any Schuberth helmet is comfort. To achieve the best possible comfort in any new project, we focus on 4 main factors: the geometry of the EPS, the ventilation system, the helmet's aeroacoustic and aerodynamics performance, and the quality of the linings. The new J2 shares the primary EPS geometry with our top-of-the-range flip-up helmet. This EPS has been designed to evenly distribute the helmet's weights across the rider's head, preventing from uncomfortable pressure points and neck strain. The design and construction of the main EPS is critical not only for safety and comfort, but also to ensure a proper ventilation of the head. As you can see here, the air enters into the helmet shell through the adjustable top vents and is distributed across the rider head via various air channels in the EPS. To maintain a continuous airflow, the air is expelled from the perforated fabric on the neck roll. Moving on to the third factor, the J2 aeroacoustics and aerodynamics performance are the result of many hours spent by our technicians and test riders in our in-house wind tunnel to achieve the optimal balance between aerodynamics and low noise level. Thanks to the low wind resistance of the helmet shell, to the new neck roll which ensure a perfect sealing of the bottom of the helmets, and to the double line of our patented turbulators on the visor, we have been able to achieve the outstanding result of 88 decibel at 100 km/h on a naked bike. And as benchmarking tests in our wind tunnel have shown, this should make it the quietest open-face helmet in the market. In addition, we'll include in the helmet box a very easy-to-install wind deflector to improve the climate and sound insulation for the riders who will use the helmet in winter or for long journeys on the motorway. The last element to achieve a perfect comfort is the quality and shape of the linings. So, as we did for the C5, E2 and S3, also for the development of the linings of our new open-face helmet, we have used a scientific approach, commissioning a study to a renowned institute specialized in textile innovation. The J2 linings have been developed to fit perfectly the head shapes from round to oval, which represent more than 98% of the population. But still, if you feel it does not fit perfectly for your individual needs, we offer the Schuberth Individual program, which gives you the possibility to install different heads to personalize the fit of your helmet. Our official dealers will be for sure happy to support you with this. Finally, as the rest of our range, the J2 linings are made from high-quality, antibacterial and breathable fabrics from Italy, meeting the strict OEKO-TEX 100 standards. The last key feature on all Schuberth helmets is the plug-and-play communication system. As the C5, E2 and S3, also the new J2 is fully equipped for 3 different plug-and-play communication systems: the well-known and appreciated SC2 and the brand new SC2 Standard and SC Edge, making Schuberth the only helmet producer offering 2 Sena intercoms and 1 card option, suitable for the entire helmet range. But let's have a look together to our communication system. First of all, our 3 intercoms are true plug-and-play systems. Indeed, 3 antennas for mesh intercom, Bluetooth intercom and FM radio are pre-installed in our helmets, together with high-definition speaker, so the installation of the system requires less than 3 minutes. The SC2 communication system has been developed jointly with Sena and is based on the 50S system, featuring mesh, which allows for a virtually limitless number of participants, the HD speaker and microphones, the advanced noise control, the digital assistance and the range in line with the best products on the market. The second option we offer is the SC2 Standard. As the SC2, also the standard version has been developed jointly with Sena, but in this case is based on their flagship Bluetooth headset. The 10S system, which doesn't offer mesh but features a 4-way intercom, the HD speakers and microphones, the advanced noise control and the range up to 1 kilometer. So, we offer this new system for everyone who is looking for a high-end intercom system but at a lower price point, and therefore can live without the mesh functionality. Last but not least, as we know that some of our customers are part of the Cardo community, we decided to offer for our entire range as well a Cardo option. The brand new SC Edge is based on Cardo's top system, the Pactok Edge, which features all the latest technology available on the market, such as the dynamic mesh intercom for an easier fast pairing process with a big group of riders, the natural voice operation, the over-the-air software update, and the range up to 1.6 km. Before we come to the end of the product presentation, let's have a look to the J2 2025 color portfolio. For its first season, we'll offer the J2 in 3 solid colors: the top-selling matte black, our alpine glossy white, and the well-known concrete gray. In addition, following the latest trend of the motorbike industry, we developed the new Sigma decal design, which we'll offer in blue, red, and gray, to perfectly match with the top-selling bikes and garments. With the color portfolio, we came to the end of the product presentation. I hope you have enjoyed and that you like our new helmet as much as we do. Thanks for your attention. Christoph, the floor is yours again.
Thank you very much, Matteo. I hope that everybody watching this presentation can see from all these explanations how much effort we again invested in the helmet and in all its details and features. With that result, we now have added another great helmet to the Schuberth range, and we hope that everyone out there who was thinking about a new open face helmet will go out and try it at our dealers. We will present the helmet at EICMA and at all shows starting next year, and with additional content on our social media channels. Don't forget to follow us there. As important, production will start in the end of this year, and the first helmets will be on the shelves just before Christmas or soon after. Last but not least, and as always, I would like to thank everyone who has been involved in this project. This goes to all partners and suppliers, and of course to everyone at Schuberth. Once again, we have shown how to combine all our know-how, passion and dedication to make another big project happen. Everyone at Schuberth can be proud of that, and so I am for that team and for that company. We are very curious now for your feedback. We hope you like the helmet and make it your choice. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation. For today, that's it. I wish you a nice evening and always an enjoyable and safe ride.